Alright, good morning everybody. Today we're going to have a lesson on using the verb to be. You can use the word to be in many different cases. So for example, if the subject is yourself, I, you would say I am. If you were talking about somebody else, it would be you are. If you're talking about a third person, he, she, it. He, she, it is. Or if you're talking about a group of people, we, they, are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. We are, they are. Remember, I am. So for example, I am happy. I am Brazilian. I am a doctor. I am 30 years old. I am from Japan. If you're talking about an individual in front of you, you are happy. You are Brazilian. You are a doctor. You are 30 years old. You are from Japan. Or then, if you're talking about the third person, he is happy. He is Brazilian. He is a doctor. She is 30 years old. She is from Japan. Or it is happy. It is Brazilian. Then we go down to we and they. We are happy. We are Brazilian. They are. Yeah, that's not right. They are a doctor is incorrect. They are doctors would be correct, in fact. We are doctors. They are 30 years old. They are from Japan. So this is incorrect here. It would be we are doctors. They are doctors. But this is a very important verb that we use all the time in any language for that matter. It could be in English, it could be in Portuguese, it could be in Spanish. The verb to be. So again, I am happy, I am Brazilian, I am a doctor, I am 30 years old, I am from Japan. A person could ask you a question, where are you from? I am from Japan. I am from Brazil. I am from the United States. Where are you from? Or where am I from? I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. What is your work? I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am an electronic worker. I am an office worker. What is his work? He is a doctor. She is an engineer. He is a hospital worker. How old are you? I am 30 years old. I am 25 years old. How old am I? You are 25 years old. You are 50 years old. How old is he? He is 30 years old. He is 35 years old. He is 40 years old. How old are they? They are 60 years old. They are 75 years old. Where are they from? They are from Japan. Where are they from? They are from Brazil. Where are they from? They are from Ecuador. Where are they from? They are from England. Very useful, and this is the present tense, of course. The present tense of to be. I am, you are, he is, we are. It would help to practice this over and over and over, because you can answer many questions from this question. For example, again, where are you from? I am from Brazil. Where are you from? I am from Spain. Where are you from? I am from Azerbaijan. Where are you from? I am from France. Where is she from? She is from Ecuador. Where is she from? She is from Canada. Where are they from? They are from Suriname. They are from Colombia. What is his work? I am an engineer. I am a doctor. I am a nurse. What is their work? They are engineers. They are janitors. They are hospital workers. They are construction workers. Many different sentences you can form. This is an important verb that needs to be learned in any language. Any important verb is the correct word for this. How do you feel? I am happy. I am sad. I am angry. How does she feel? She is happy. She is angry. She is confused. Very important to learn this verb. Very important to learn so you can start making basic sentences. Okay, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. And if you liked the lesson, please like, subscribe, and comment below on YouTube. Thank you very much. Have a good day.